The bright yellow color with super creamy texture. Mango mayonnaise dipping sauce is perfect for summer evening snack. It is a tangy and sweet combination of ripe mango and mayonnaise that makes a refreshing and healthy salad dressing as well as dipping sauce. Hello viewers, myself Shuparna, welcome to Simply Food. Before starting to this video, please subscribe my channel. So let's see what we need. Mayonnaise, peeled and deseeded chopped ripe mango, Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 lemon juice, black pepper powder and salt. First, into a blender jar, take 1 chopped ripe mango, add 1 lemon juice, salt half teaspoon and 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Blend to a fine paste. Now you can see it's glossy and so bright in color. Also you can add green chilies into this. Now into a bowl, take the mango paste. Into this paste, add 3 tablespoons mayonnaise. I always use veg mayonnaise. Add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now mix them nicely. Before playing the mango, taste the mango, then adjust the quantity of all ingredients, especially the sweet and lime juice. Now you can see it has changed its color to mustardy yellow. Pour into a serving bowl. This dipping sauce is nice, smooth and the aroma is fantastic. Mango mayonnaise dipping sauce is ready. Serve this with veg and non-veg pakoras, fish cutlet and chicken cutlets as well as chicken strips. That's it for today's video. Please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button and give your valuable feedback in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye.